Hi YouTube, it's Hair and Mo here, bringing you do-it-yourself hair tutorials. Please like and subscribe down below. Today I will be showing you a simple way to do box braids. First, you want to make sure your hair is detangled and manageable. I decided to wet my hair with water and detangle. I chose not to blow dry, but of course, you can do whatever works best for you. This is the second time I've done box braids, but since I've discovered that when you section your hair prior to starting this style, it is much easier and you will get done a whole lot quicker. Section your hair off according to what size braids you want. If you can get someone to help you part your hair off, please do. That will save a lot of time. But if not, just position yourself in the mirror where you can see the back of your head to part it neatly. The very first time I did my box braids, I discovered that when you part your hair as you go along, it takes a very long time. Not only is this two-strand twist method a lot faster, you also do not have to sit in front of the mirror the entire time you are doing your hair. The type of hair I am using today is the Queen Bee braid. It is 50 inches and the color I'm using today is a 1B BG, which is just a burgundy mixed with a dark brown. You will need 2 packs of this hair to complete this style. Now this is how I prep my braiding hair. I found this way to be super easy and not messy. I normally have hair shed all over the place and hair tangled. I end up throwing away a lot of hair. First, you're going to get your shining gem and place a little on the center of the hair. This will help keep the hair together when sectioning during the prep. When finishing, place your hair over the hanger so it will be easy to grab. The amount of hair you use in each section is totally up to you, depending on how big you want your braids. The first couple of braids that you do will kind of get you the feel of about how much hair you want to use in each section. You will want to start in the very back of your head. Starting your box braid, you will grab your hair and the braiding hair, wrapping it around, making sure you are at the base of the section. Then you will begin to braid. After you braid about 1 inch, you will then add another piece of hair under the back side of the braid. You will need to use your jam to smooth your hair into the braiding hair. Depending on your desired length of braids will determine how many times you add hair on to the braid. When you're finished braiding, you will smooth your edges to finish the style. Okay, now I absolutely love a deep part, but with these long braids, it is very hard to have a deep part like this without it falling in your face. So what you'll need to do is get your hair positioned to how you want it, and you will use some open bobby pins to secure your hair in place. To finish my style off, I sprayed Queen Glitter Spray. This is a hair and body spray I purchased at Sally's Beauty Supply. Please like and subscribe to my page and stay tuned for more educational hair videos. Thank you so much for tuning in.